10 must-follow rules when driving a car with an automatic transmission. 1. Prevent water from entering the transmission. Moisture can damage automatic transmission components. 2. Don't put your car in neutral when driving downhill. This interrupts the direct connection of the engine with the transmission and means you won't be able to accelerate or maneuver when necessary.
Not a problem. A vast range of car parts at low prices are with me at any time. Buying via the Autodoc app is always cheaper.
3. Don't shift gear to the opposite direction until the car has come to a complete stop. Otherwise, you'll damage the gearbox. Stop the car using the brakes and shift to the desired direction. Please note, the transmission should not be used for braking. 4. Don't leave the gear selector in D when stopped for longer periods with the engine running. This can lead to the transmission overheating and increased wear of friction elements. Set the shifter to P or turn off the engine. 5. Don't rev the engine in neutral. Increasing the engine speed before you shift from neutral to drive will cause rapid wear of the friction plates and failure of other transmission elements. 6. Don't press both pedals simultaneously. This leads to overheating, increased wear and damage of the gearbox elements. 7. Don't forget to change the automatic transmission fluid every 60,000 to 80,000 kilometers. The unit also requires regular maintenance. Monitor the fluid's level and condition and repair leaks in time. 8. Don't tow an automatic car at a speed of over 40 km per hour or over long distances. If your car breaks down, contact a vehicle recovery service. 9. Don't drive a car with a broken automatic transmission. Have your car taken to the nearest garage by a vehicle recovery service. 10. If the car is stuck, do not use the rocking method, alternately shifting from D to R and back. This is unlikely to help the car get free, but it will certainly cause serious damage to the transmission.